Welcome to Fusion Resort Villas Da Nang. So I'm actually staying there today and I'm gonna do a little bit of a walking tour all around the property to the beach. It's pretty interesting. It is the last resort in Da Nang. All resorts afterwards to the right are Hoi An. This is how it looks. It is a huge main building and then lots of villas. The main building looks so, from outside you would not think this is a brand new resort and hotel. Maybe it's the color, I'm not sure. But it's definitely way nicer inside than it looks outside. I don't know why you take these old brown tones, beige. It's a very nice entrance and the lobby is beautiful. So I stayed already one night there. I really enjoyed it. Food was great. Everything zen, very calm. No noise, no nothing. Morning. This is the entrance, the lobby. We're gonna go walk right to the beach. It's all high quality things here. High quality couches, furniture, very nice. And it's actually just, they opened up, taking care of everything here. They opened up this year. So it's actually a brand new hotel resort. You see, this is all those villas and they look crazy. You gotta check out my main channel because I did a whole review about this whole hotel and about those luxury villas. And I even had one luxury villa, 5-bedroom on the beach with an infinity pool on the beach. So check out the link in the description. I will definitely link there the whole hotel review. So the location here is right opposite of the golf course of one of the 5 golf courses here in Da Nang. Legend is the name, Legend Golf Course. And look, it looks pretty zen, nice, calm. And there you have just one villa after each other. But inside it's very nice. It's a zen, a pool. Yeah, you will see on the video. So you don't have to walk here. You can always hire a golf car and they will drive you right away wherever you want to go. But since this is a walking channel and not a driving channel, I'm gonna walk you through here. So this big block here, if you look from upstairs, it looks like flat on the floor. Like, it looks like even with this area here. But it's actually pretty high up. And this is the whole spa area. It's a beautiful spa. I had a treatment there yesterday as well. Very nice smelling. But this is also, it's a brand new building. Everything is new. But the style inside is very nice. And since it's such a huge place here, I think they're gonna have people working here non-stop. Yeah, it's very zen. In the front there's the breakfast buffet where I'm gonna go and have breakfast later. And I think they also serve lunch and dinner there. If I'm not wrong, they have 2 restaurants. This is one of them. And the other one is the seafood restaurant and and steakhouse in the front. Hello. Thank you. Okay. Oh, that looks good. I'm excited. Okay, so we're here at the beach club, pool, and actually, you know what they have? They have 2 infinity pools back to back. Actually, it's actually nice to sit outside. I didn't see that there are so many people in the hotel the whole time. Just on the breakfast buffet, now you see it. Before, I did not see anyone. I think because most of the people just play golf and then come back to sleep and then breakfast. Or actually, so this whole resort is located exactly between Hoi An and Da Nang. And so you can be there in 15 minutes to Hoi An and 15 minutes, or even 10 minutes to Da Nang, I think. It depends how fast you drive. But it was pretty quick when we came here. It's 9.3 kilometers. The beds are very comfy. And now here does the first infinity pool end. And the second infinity pool. Pretty nice. Just the sea is a little bit rough. Else you could even have free paddleboarding and kayaking in the ocean. And here you have a little bit of a playing area, some soccer nets, mini soccer nets, and they even have big soccer nets on the beach there. So these are the stand-up paddle boards, I think. You can even rent bikes here, I think. Let's check that out. And that's how they clean it. Hello. First of all, let's check out the view here. You can even play soccer here with proper nets. And you can rent out bikes here. Bicycles. Interesting. Let's go and check out the restaurant. I did a full video about that yesterday. It's called Char, and most like the breeze is the cocktail bar to it. It's actually very nice looking inside. The color tones and everything, very pretty. If it would be blue sky, it would be way nicer. But yesterday I actually caught it filming here when it was blue sky. Oh. But you can check this out on my main channel. Hello! So in left and right there are all villas here. And the pool is in the middle, centered in the middle. And then the big building is here. And what is very interesting is they have this huge 3-bedroom penthouse with their own pool up there, with their own pool. So this is what I'm gonna review the last on my main channel. It's gonna be absolutely insane. I'm so excited about this one. That's gonna be my thumbnail for sure. Not for this video, but for my main video. So here are the restrooms. We're back at the pool. It's a little bit wet on the floor because of the season. It's very humid at the moment, sadly. But I see a little bit of a blue sky here. Look at this. We might be up to something. So definitely, if you want to come to Da Nang, you should. If you want to have a perfect dry and hot climate, you should go from between March and September. So I think there is the gym. Yeah. Let's take a detour to the gym. Yeah, this is the gym. Well, someone in there working out. I don't want to go film them now, but I'll definitely film it later. Looks pretty proper gym in there. The spa also has a gym, but you can play some other games here too. Be interesting. And this is also a place where you can rent out monthly. You can rent those villas out monthly. And they're very nice looking and brand new. And inside it's like high end. Everything is high end. It's basically a German kitchen, to be honest, because everything is German brands and European brands and all high end. Also, I never seen an oven in Vietnam. Never. This was the first time that I've seen a proper, normal-sized oven. Just a normal oven below the stove. Fascinating. That is the first time now in Vietnam. Usually no apartments have it. I think if it would not be a hotel and they have service anyways for that, maybe a dishwasher would have been also good. But it's a full service hotel, so I think there'll be someone coming in and keep washing your dishes or taking them, replacing them. So here now we are back at the main building. I don't know. This hotel is so pretty inside, but so old outside somehow. I don't know. So definitely this is worth a try here. I think the cheapest rooms to the golf course or something was like $100 or so, and you have like, this is great value for what you get. And the room what I had was around 160, 180, but I have ocean view, beautiful, huge place. So yeah. If you come closer, it looks kind of good, the color, but from far away, it just looks like it's an old, abandoned building somehow. So I don't know. This place looks so vibrant and nice inside, especially the spa with all the purple elements and everything. You will see tomorrow, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. And actually at night, when it's lit up with the specific color, it's also very nice. Especially at night, I feel. And the smell is very good here as well. So now we're gonna check out the coffee shop. Thank you. So they have a full-blown coffee shop here as well. We can get cakes, coffee, even beer. And you could even get some work done here. They're like proper tables here, all very solid. Yeah, even with outside area. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video about the whole hotel. I'm gonna link it down below and also add it here. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.